Hello guys! For today's vlog ay magluluto tayo ng pasta with broccoli and mushroom. So, first step is we have to preheat the pan. Lagyan natin ng olive oil and then lagay natin yung garlic. And intayin natin siya, yung garlic until maging brown. So, yan. Mix, mix, mix. And then, after that, pwede na natin ilagay yung broccoli. So, yung broccoli na nilagay ko dito is 1/2 kilo. So, yan guys. Okay, yan yung measurement niya is 1/2 kilo. And after that, syempre, i-mix natin siya para hindi masunog yung bawang sa ilalim. Okay? So, mix, mix, mix. Lutuin natin guys yung broccoli mga around 5 minutes, ganyan. So, next is lagay na natin yung mushroom. So, yung mushroom is, yung measurement niya is 1/4. So, 1/4 kilo yung nilagay ko dito. So, pwede kayong gumamit yung nasa can or di naman kaya ay yung fresh na mushroom. So, itong ginamit ko dito ay yung fresh na mushroom. So, hinugasan ko lang siya ng maayos and then tig-chop ko siya ng maliliit. Okay? So, yan guys. Then, mix din ulit. Mix, mix, mix. After 2 minutes guys, naglagay ako dito ng spicy. So, yung dried na sili. So, yon. So, bali guys, yung nilagay ko na chili flakes ay 1 spoon yun. And then, of course, nilagyan ko siya ng salt para mayroong lasa, of course, and then pepper. So, yung pepper is, syempre, yung durog. So, this time, mix, mix, mix ulit para pumasok yung lasa ng mga ingredients. And then, this time, ay nilalagay ko dito yung crema. Dito, tawag sa crema is panna de cucina. And, merong option dito, pwede kayong gumamit ng flour with milk and butter. So, as your cream. So, since nagmamadali ako guys, kaya ginamit ko dito ay yung ready-made na crema. So, since malapit nang maluto ang ating sauce, so, kailangan nating mag-prepare na ng boiled water para magluto ng spaghetti. So, ayan. So, pwede na nating ilagay yung ating spaghetti kasi ready na yung ating boiled water. So, it's important guys na lutuin natin yung spaghetti na hindi matigas at hindi rin naman sobrang malambot. Dapat is tama lang. Yung time duration ko guys sa pagluto ko ng spaghetti is 13 to 15 minutes. At this point guys, tingnan nyo, ready na yung ating spaghetti. So, kailangan natin siyang stain. Ngayon naman ay imimix na natin yung ating spaghetti at saka yung ating sauce. At this point guys, kailangan natin na mahalo ng maayos ang spaghetti kasama yung sauce. So, mix, mix, mix ulit. At this point guys, almost ready na ang ating spaghetti with broccoli and mushroom. So, very healthy yung menu na to kasi yun nga, with vegetables. So, bukod sa healthy na, madali lang siyang i-prepare. Within 30 minutes, mayroon ka ng lunch. So guys, so let's eat! The lunch is ready. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye!